Welcome back, Meatless Dish family. Today we're going to be making an easy, cheesy, spicy queso that tastes so good you'll want to make some. This is going to be much better for you than anything you can find in a can or a jar. Just one more rhyme before I go too far. If you feel like being cheesy, I think you should. With all that being said, let's make some good. This is everything you're going to need to make this queso. It's all organic except for the cheese. I'm using Boar's head here because it gives me the taste and consistency I like for this dip. The ingredients and measurements will also be listed in the description. Now let's take care of business. Dice up a half onion. Set it aside. Cut a tomato in half. Remove the center and stem with a spoon. Dice it up. Set it aside. Now for the jalapeno, drop it like it's hot. Cut off the stem and slice it in half. Remove the center and the seeds because we're going to be frying this up with the onions. Dice it up, put them with the onions, and set it aside. This is so easy, you can make this and DJ the party. Oh yeah. Now let's get to cooking. Heat a large pot on medium and add a pat of butter. Now add your onions and jalapeno. Cook for about 2 minutes. Then add 1 1/4 cup of organic half and half. Now turn the heat on high so we can get this to a boil so the cheese can melt. Now add the tomatoes. 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes. If you don't want this too spicy, omit or reduce. 2 teaspoons of cilantro. Stir and wait for the mixture to bubble. Now let's add the cheese. Spread the cheese slices out in layers so they're easier to break up and melt. Once I get all the cheese in there, I keep breaking it and stirring it until it's fully melted. It'll take about 3 or 4 minutes, and this is what you're looking for. And there you have it. Queso that tastes so good, you might just subscribe. Let's take this moment to appreciate what we just created. Thanks for watching.